This is the standard room at the Hotel Apache at the Binions on Fremont Street. It's a historic room with cool historic touches, like the phone and the radio. It's a small room, but recently renovated. Nice shower bath combo. Sink. And your toilet. It's interesting, this is the second room that I've been in. The first one has a stand-up shower instead of the shower bath, and does not have the larger window that faces the Fremont Street experience. This room does face the Fremont Street experience, as you can almost see. The sad thing is the windows do not open. So if you were hoping to be able to get a view of Fremont Street, you may not be able to. That is the historic Apache Hotel inside the Binions in Las Vegas, Nevada.